I don't really care if you buy what I'm about to talk about or not, but this is the only place you can find them, and if you have a toddler, I wanted to share it with you. These shoes are amazing. They're flexible, they're breathable, and they're great if your toddler has wide feet. We literally only have one brand of shoes that my toddler can wear because his feet are so wide, and it was destroying us having to buy them every few months at the cost. I am so happy to have found these, especially because as we're approaching summer, these are mesh, so they make his feet a lot less sweaty. So I'd highly recommend you check them out if you're having trouble finding shoes for your toddler or you're just looking for an overall good shoe.